It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. If you want to see how I removed all of the product from my nails and got to this point, definitely check that video out. Now I am about to get into my updated prep routine, okay? So if you saw how those nails were hanging on for dear life, this is how I got them to last so long, okay? So first I'm going in and I'm going to push my cuticles back. And what I'm basically doing is just pushing that skin back to reveal that kind of white, crunchy, dead skin. That is what we want to remove, okay? And we want to remove this because if we just go right in with our acrylics or our gels or anything like that, all of the natural oils and everything that will get produced will cause the lifting. So that's why we want to remove the dead skin, why we want to dehydrate, why we want to do all of that kind of stuff so that the enhancement can stick and stay. So I'm just showing you some of the other things that I'm going to be using in the process. So this is right after I have removed the product. I go in with my drill, and this is just a sanding band. So with your sanding band, you want to, remove the shine from the natural nail. If you can, you want to get around that cuticle area. For me, sometimes with the sanding band, I can't really get into all of the crevices like I want to. And since I have been using the smaller drill bit or like the needle bit or the ball bit, any of those little bits that you can really get around that cuticle area with, when I started incorporating those, I noticed that my nails would last a lot longer. I didn't have any lifting and all of that. Doing your non-dominant hand, sometimes you might have to hold the drill still and move your hand, or if you can move the drill, then that's awesome. For me, I am slowly able to move the drill instead of my hand now, so that's awesome. Now I'm going to switch out from the sanding band and go in with this bit. And of course, as always, if you don't have a drill, you can use a nail file. This one is the Tammy Taylor peel and stick file, and by using this nail file, you can remove the shine and you can get around that cuticle area pretty good. As you can see how I kind of use my finger to pull that skin back to expose the little crevices around that cuticle area so that I can get in there. And if you still have a little product on your nails, you can still prep and all of that, or you can completely remove the product. It's really a preference. Some people don't mind to leave a little product. For me, I try to get as much of it off as I can before I go in with a new application. With this, sometimes I find that it helps to go in forward and in reverse. So you can go in forward and go around the cuticle, and then you can put it in reverse and go around the cuticle in the other direction to make sure that you're getting all of the dead skin out of the other corner of the nail. So like I said, you can also go in with the ball bit if you have like dry or like hard skin around that cuticle area to kind of buff that out. I don't really have that problem, so for me this will be my last step as far as using my drill for prep. And just like any drill bit, you know, you don't want to add too much pressure. You want to be gentle and careful. You don't want to get any rings of fire, which is basically when you just go ham and just drill into your nail plate. We don't want that. So we just want to like gently remove the things from the surface of the nail. We don't want to actually cut into the nail plate. And of course, you definitely don't want to drill too much and drill away your actual nail plate. That's going to cause it to be extremely thin, and that's something that you don't want. So definitely use your drill sparingly. And I am getting so much better with my non-dominant hand. So after I brush away the excess, all that, you know, dust and everything, I like to go back in again with the hand file just to make sure, especially for my non-dominant hand, because I am trying to improve my drilling skills on that hand. And sometimes, you know, the way I have always done it in the past was with the hand file. So just to make sure everything is all nice and together, I just like to go back in one more time with the handy dandy hand file. And this is also good if you feel like that nail plate is not fully roughened up, because you want it nice and rough, because we need that product to stick and stay, remember. So you want to make sure that you etch the surface and remove the shine. So for a while you might have to go in with your drill for practice and finish the job or complete the job with your nail file, but you definitely want to make sure, in my opinion, to incorporate that drill into your practice, because that's the only way you're going to get better, is if you practice. And since I have been doing this, I have been seeing a difference in my prep. So I definitely think if you have a drill, don't let it sit in the corner. Don't be scared of it. Just jump in and try it. So after that, the drilling and filing part is basically done. Then you can go in with your dehydrators, your primers, your band-aids, your protein bonds, all of those things that help with adhesion. I got this Mia Secret kit with a dehydrator and the primer from Amazon. So this is what I'm going to be using to prep my nails for my next application. Make sure that you guys watch the next video so that you can see me do that. And if you are not going to apply any extensions and you just want to let your nails breathe, of course I have some cuticle oil that you guys can snatch up. So definitely check out my website link in the description bar. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And I will see you guys in the next video. And it's a wrap.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.